Hi everyone, today we're going to learn about signal words under listening skills. Before I start my lesson, let's watch this video.
Imagine making a collage of pictures. What holds all your pictures together? Glue. Now imagine telling a story. What holds all your ideas together? Transition words. A transition word. The glue that keeps all of your ideas together so you can tell a story.
Alright, what you have understood from watching this video? Yes, okay, she asked you to imagine making a collage picture. Okay, in order to make a collage picture, you have to put the pictures together. Okay, how are you going to put the pictures together to make a collage? You need a glue. Same goes to where she asked you imagine to tell a story. Okay, in order to tell a story, of course, you have various ideas that you want to put together to make the story interesting. Okay, so how are you going to put the ideas together? Yes, you need a transition words, or also known as signal words or phrases. Okay, you can use signal words, phrases, okay, to put the ideas together to make your story interesting. So today we're going to learn about signal words. Okay, first we look into the definition. Okay, signal words help the reader to follow the direction of writer's thought. Okay, in order to see the connection between the ideas and also show logical relationships between ideas within a sentence and between sentences. For example, if you see here, I've given you two different sentences, which are, I love drinking coffee and the coffee keeps me awake at night. All right, let's think. How are you going to join these two sentences or merge these two sentences by using signal words? Okay, let's check your answers. Because, all right, good. Because, one of the signal words, I love, okay, let's see the sentence. I love drinking coffee because it keeps me awake at night. It implies the writer drinks coffee to keep her awake at night. So she wants to drink coffee because she wants to be awake at night. Maybe she wants to do work. Okay. What other signal words that you can use? Even though, right? Even though. Let's see the sentence. I love drinking coffee even though it keeps me awake at night. It implies the writer loves coffee in spite of it's keeping her awake. She just don't care if she's being awake at night. She loves drinking coffee. So this is how you can see the signal words can change the relationship between the sentences. So signal words have powers. Why I'm saying that? Because they have the power to change the meaning of the sentences. So be careful when you are using signal words. All right, here I've listed down the list of signal words or phrases. Okay, what's the difference between words and phrases? Words means it's like one word. Okay, phrases means like more than one word. Okay, more than one word, we call that as phrases. Okay, now let's look at the list. Emphasis, addition, comparison or contrast, illustration words, cause and effect, introducing, enumerating, listing words or phrases, defining words or phrases, clarifying or explaining words or phrases, moving on or changing direction words or phrases, referring to visual words or phrases, concluding words or phrases. Wow, that's a lot. But don't worry and don't be panicked like the minions. Okay, I'll be explaining every signal words here with the proper examples. Okay, first we look at emphasis words. Emphasis words where the writer tells you directly to pay attention to an idea. That means if you want anyone to pay attention to what you are saying, so you use emphasis signal words or phrases. Okay, here, for example, important to note, most of all, a significant factor, a key feature, the main value. Remember that, okay? Or a major event, the principal item, pay particular attention to, okay? A vital force, vital means important, okay? Above all, a central issue should be noted, especially relevant, the most substantial issues. So these are the signal words that you can use if you want to emphasize or to pay attention on certain ideas. Okay, this slide shows how you use emphasis words or phrases in the sentences. Okay, first we look at this. Most of all, he wanted to change the subject. Okay, the next example is the main value of using statistics in a speech is to enhance the speaker's credibility. So here they're emphasizing on using statistics. Okay, here pay particular attention to every aspect of your appearance and presentation during job interviews. So here they want to highlight on the aspect of appearance, okay, and your presentation during the interview. Next, a major event that happened in 2020 is the rapid spread of the coronavirus pandemic. Okay, next, above all, don't forget to call when you get there. So you are highlighting here, okay, don't forget to call. So you're paying attention to don't forget to call. Next will be, it should be noted that this positive development takes place under the protection of the current anti-dumping measures. Okay, all right. So I think it should be clear on how to use emphasis words in the sentences. All right, now we look at addition words. Okay, addition words tell you that the writer's thought is going to continue in same direction. Okay, the writer going to add on more points or details of the same kind. It means that, okay, if you are talking about a topic, okay, and you want to make things clear about the topic, so you have to give more examples. So if you want to give more examples or more ideas or more points on the same topic that you are talking, you have to use addition words. Here I've listed down the addition signal words or phrases, which are also, another, finally, first of all, for one thing, furthermore, in addition, last of all, likewise, moreover, next, and second, the third reasons. So you can use these addition words or signal words or phrases in a proper sequence to make your ideas or points clear. All right, now let's look at the example of addition words in the sentences. Okay, first, an animal as large and beautiful as a horse needs to be cared for carefully. First, cleaning its stall on a regular basis is absolutely necessary. In addition, a horse needs to be groomed 3 to 5 times a week. Finally, a horse needs to be fed and exercised on a daily basis. So here you can see the sequence. Okay, first, you use first and then followed by in addition, or you can use next. Okay, and lastly or finally. So it will show the sequence, the process. Okay, besides that, another example is texting while driving is dangerous. Moreover, it's illegal. So he is adding point here. Okay, next example, he was tired. Furthermore, he was hungry. So here is indicating he's tired and hungry. Okay, now we look at comparison words. Comparison words where the writer is pointing out similarity between two subjects. Similarity meaning they look likeness, that means they look same. Okay, so here I've listed down the examples of comparison signet words, which you can use to show the similarity between two subjects. Okay, must look same. Then only you can use these comparison signet words. Okay, like, likewise, just, equally. Okay, in like manner, in the same way, alike, similarity, just as, similarly, as, in a similar fashion, as well as. So these are the examples, okay, of comparison signet words. Let's look at the conversation between the two penguins here. One is asking, have you seen Joe? Another one is answering, I don't know. What's he look like? If you see, both penguins they look alike. So definitely Joe also will look alike. How are they going to find out? Joe. And I don't know what difference they can see. So they look similar. That's why Goofy is confused. If you see in the picture, how they're going to find Joe where they look alike. Okay, they look similar. So when they look similar, you can use comparison signet words to show the similarity. All right. Here are the examples of sentences which use comparison signet words. Okay, the first sentence is the children were similarly dressed. So we can use the word similarly. That means you see both kids were wearing the same pink color dress, but the height is different. We are not talking about the height. Okay, if it is height, you can't use comparison signet words because they are different. If it is similar, same dress, so it is similar, therefore you can use comparison words by saying they're wearing the similar dress. Okay, next, another example here, you can see both are equally tall. They are same height. Okay, so you can compare them by using equally. Okay, both are equally tall.